Hi, this is Tom from Meross. Now, let me tell you about the incredible features that make this Meross Smart Roller Shutter a must-have. First up, we have the auto detect function, which means it can automatically sense the position of your shutters and adjust accordingly. And guess what? Thanks to its voice control capability, you can simply command it to open or close using your favorite virtual assistant. But that's not all. With the remote control feature, you have the power to operate roller shutters from anywhere in your home. No need to get up from your comfy couch or even leave your bed. Convenience at your fingertips. So in this video, we will guide you step by step through the installation process of the Smart Roller Shutter. Get ready to take controls of your windows like never before. Now let's see what's inside the box. We have a Smart Roller Shutter. Cable labels, 6 screws, and a user manual. Alright, let's get this installation party started. Here is what you will need: a smartphone, a standard screwdriver, lineman's pliers, a wire stripper, and a voltage detector. Make sure your smartphone is close to the existing roller shutter timer and that you are in an area with a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. First things first, let's ensure everyone's safety. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker that controls the existing roller shutter timer. Safety first, always. Now remove the plastic faceplate and unscrew the existing roller shutter timer from its electrical box. Gently pull the timer outward, being careful not to touch any wires. Let's double check those wires for safety. Use a voltage detector to make sure the wires connected to the existing switch are inactive. Take a look at the diagram provided and label those wires accordingly. We want to keep things organized and easy to follow. Find the right wires and label them. Usually the live wire would be brown, the up-down wire would be black, and the neutral wire might be in blue color. Our wire colors follow the IEC codes. Your house may use different codes, but the functions shall be the same. Use a screwdriver to loosen and unhook the wires. Use the pliers to straighten the wires. If necessary, clip off the ends and strip the wires about 1/4 inch. Now, it's time to connect the wires to the corresponding terminal holes. Insert them carefully and secure them in place. If you have 2 neutral wires, you can twist them together before inserting them into the end hole. Kindly be aware that if the up and down connections are interchanged, this could potentially cause the window blinds to operate in the reverse direction. Gently push the wires and the device back into the electrical box. Screw the switch into place and attach the faceplate. Turn on the circuit breaker that controls the Smart Roller Shutter timer. Keep an eye on the status LED. When it starts blinking green slowly, tap Next. And there you have it, my friends. We have successfully installed the Smart Roller Shutter timer. Give yourself a pat on the back, you've done a fantastic job. For the HomeKit version, we suggest to use the Meross app to pair the device, so that the device could be added to Meross and Home app at the same time. Of course, you can use the Home app directly if you don't want to. Click Plus. Choose Smart Roller Shutter timer. Scan the code. Pair. If you are using the non-HomeKit version, you need to use Meross app. Use Wi-Fi to connect with the product. Name it. Connect to your Wi-Fi. All done! We've reached the end of our installation video for the smart roller shutter. Let's put it to the test. Hey Siri, could you please open the curtains? Congratulations on our successful setting up the fantastic device in your home. Thank you for watching.